Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to put ask me a question on Instagram story. So first of all, open Instagram. After that, click on to plus icon for create a story. Click on to camera option. Click on to create. And you can easily change color. And then showing it to sticker option, click on to question option, and then showing here to ask me a question, write something, and then click on to share. So that's it. That's how we can do it. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.